Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the user manager in AntiX. So AntiX Control Center, you have to go to system maintenance, and here you have to click on the user manager. So it will open up the user manager. So there are 5 tabs: administration, options, copy sync, add remove groups, and group membership. So in the first tab, administration, you can add the new user. You can type the name of the new user. You can set the password, and you can confirm the password. And you can select whether you want to grant this user administration rights to the system, that is sudo rights. Second option is to change the user password. So you can select any user that is already there on the system, and you can change or you can set the new password for that user. For example, in my system, root and Sammy is there. You can change the password of root as well as Sammy. You can delete any user account. So you can delete Sammy, but root account you cannot delete. Then you can rename any user account. So in my case, I can rename the user account. Right now, the name of my account is Sammy. I can change the name. For example, I can change the name to Sam or to any other name of my wish. Second, in the options tab, you can modify the user account. So I can use my user account and I can modify that user account. I can restore the defaults by clicking here. I can restore the defaults of the root membership and Mozilla configs from here. So clicking here, it will restore the browser configs to the AntiX defaults. Now in the third tab, copy and sync, you can copy the desktop between any two users. For example, I can copy from Sammy. Suppose if I got any other user, for example, say I got a user Sam, then I can copy the complete desktop from Sammy to Sam. And also you can specify what to copy and sync. For example, entire home, only the documents folder, only the shared folder, or the Mozilla or the Ice Visual configs. So Mozilla Firefox configs can also be copied from one user to the other user. And at the bottom, it will show the status of the progress bar. And in the fourth tab, you can add and remove groups. So these are the some system groups that are there, and you can select it and you can delete that group. So you have to double check on your selections before applying. Removal of wrong group can break your system. So once and second time, then you can see you can apply. With first single click of click, it will not allow you to delete the group, but you have to unselect that, select again. That will enable the apply button. And also you can create a new user level group here. For example, I click here and then I specify the group name. It will be created in the group list. And in the fifth tab, that is the group membership tab, you can select or modify the user account. So for example, I select Sammy, then it will show me to which groups the Sammy group user is subscribed to. So my username has following memberships. All those ticked are the group memberships that my user ID has. I can add more. For example, I can add LP admin. Then click the apply button. It will add the my user ID to the LP admin group. So likewise, you can do it for any user on your system. So this is it. This is the user manager functionality of AntiX Linux. I will stop the video. See you in the next video with some more functionality. Bye bye.